If you're planning to buy a home, you must be prepared for something crucial beyond the down payment, and that's the closing costs. So down payment is an upfront payment applied toward the purchase of a property and can range from 3% to 20% of the purchase price. So you're probably thinking, if I need 3% to 20% to put down, how much do I need for closing costs? I am Denise Watkins, your real estate navigator with the Watkins team. Today we are exploring closing costs, why they're important, and specifically what you can expect on average. So let's get started. First things first, what exactly are closing costs? Now, these are the fees and expenses you must pay to become the legal owner of a property officially, and they can include government recording fees. These fees are charged by local government agencies for recording the transfer of the property from the seller to the buyer. So this makes your purchase a matter of public record, which is very important for establishing legal ownership and ensuring that the property can't be sold to someone else. Appraisal fees. An appraisal fee, it pays for a professional appraiser to evaluate the home and determine its fair market value. Lenders require this to ensure that they're not lending more money than the property is actually worth. It protects the lender and it protects the buyer from overextending themselves. Credit report fees. Now this is small, but when you apply for a mortgage, your lender will pull your credit report. The fee covers the cost of attending these reports. Your credit score and your credit history are crucial factors in determining your mortgage interest rate and your eligibility. Then you have the lender origination fees. Now this is a fee that's charged by the lender for processing the new loan application. It covers administrative tasks such as preparing the documents, performing credit checks, and processing the application. You have title service fees. Title service includes searching the public records to ensure the seller legally owns the property and has no liens or other claims against it. So this fee also covers the cost of title insurance, which protects the buyer and the lender in case someone challenges the legal ownership of the property. And that's after the sale. Then you have the survey fees. A survey fee pays for a professional surveyor to determine the exact boundaries of the property. Now, this is very, very important because you have to make sure that the property matches the description and to identify any encroachments or easement that may exist. Underwriting fees. Now, this fee is charged by the lender to cover the cost of evaluating your mortgage application. It includes processing and verifying your income, your assets, your debt, your property details to ensure that you meet the lending criteria. Now, there could be additional fees, but each contributes to the overall closing cost of purchasing a home. It varies by location, lender, and the property transaction specifics. So now you might be wondering, how much do I need to budget for these costs? Now, closing costs typically range from 2% to 5% of your home purchase price. So let's just break that down. Let's say you are eyeing a property that's priced at $384,500, which for our sake, we're going to use that in this example. Based on 2 to 5% estimates, your closing costs could fall between $7,690 and $19,225. But remember, this range can vary based on the specific transaction and the location of the home. So how do you prepare for these costs? It's simple. Start by getting a sense of the closing costs involved in buying a home and the home buying process, from the down payment down to the closing costs. Again, to give you a more precise idea, the average closing costs tend to lean toward the higher end of the national, which is 2 to 5% range. Why? Because factors like property taxes, local government fees, and more can influence the final number. So you don't have to worry. We all get this. You're not alone. So partnering with a trusted real estate professional, it can make a huge difference. The Watkins team will help you understand how much you need to save and prepare for what's ahead. We'll answer your questions and we'll help you along the way. So if you feel that you're not ready, we invite you to get a copy of our home buying guide or schedule a one-on-one session with us today. Planning for closing costs is a critical step in the home buying journey. So if you're looking for guidance and have any questions, please contact us. Don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button for more insights, and please share this video with anyone who is stepping into the home buying world. Until next time, happy house hunting.